wizard.
Alright, good afternoon everyone. I hope you're all having a great day. Hope you're all having a fantastic weekend so far. God bless you all and all praise be to Jesus Christ. I woke up before we get to the TA, woke up to some pretty cool news. Flopping Groper, Nick Cypher himself, gave me a members TA inside his Discord for my YouTube channel so I can upload my videos to the Discord every day. And man, this is just, thank you, Nick. First of all, thank you for giving me this opportunity, man. I'm so grateful to you and your brother for Market Cypher and the Leapfrog Discord. I'd love to see y'all guys in here. If you're not inside the Discord already, I'll leave everything you need to know in the description below. How to join, how to get in, how to get access to the VWAP indicator. Okay. And my plan is, once I get going to do live, I'll have live streams just for the Discord. You'll have to be in the Discord to have the link to the live. And I'll do some live trading, some live TA. You know, we'll do a couple things. I will still be doing everyday video, public videos, go live for the public still, but the real juicy stuff is going to be in the Discord now. So I would love to see you guys in there. Like I said, everything you need to see is in the link, or need to know is in the link below, in the description below. I got to get used to saying that. So we've been calling this move for the last, I went and checked the channel. I said 3 weeks ago, if we was losing the key levels that we've been watching, I would expect price to be around 85K in a week or two. Now, a week off, well, no, not really. Just a few days off technically. And price is exactly where we said she was going to be 3 weeks ago. Okay, so we've been well prepared for this move. We knew about the low volume profile gap. We knew if we was losing the red line here, we was probably going to get this dumped down. And man, I really thought, I'm not saying she still won't come down. We have got a nice little bounce. But right here, man, I just knew. I've been calling for the 76K. That's where the high volume profile is for weeks. Man, I just thought we was gonna see her hit it. She ain't hit it yet. Not saying she won't, but man, thank you to everyone. It's just a good morning, good Saturday morning so far. Our TA has been great. We're over 100 subs on the YouTube channel. The Wizard gang is growing, so thank you everyone. Like I said, we've been calling it. Now we are getting a nice green dot here on the daily, okay? But this is such a deep anchor wave. The only reason I'm thinking we probably still got more room down, okay? Because it's a new month. There's new narratives in play, okay? This could be a bottom that takes us all the way to the top. This momentum could just come straight up and go over the 60 line to the upside, and we not see any bull divs at all. That's very possible. But the only reason I'm still thinking price could still come down and actually touch the quarter 2 VWAP, maybe even lower, depending on the market situation, maybe even lower to the year to date, is just how deep the momentum wave is on Market Cypher B here on the 1 day. It's technical, like if we want bull divs, if we want to see bullish momentum off these waves, price is going to have to come lower. And on the 2 day, I wanted to point out the 2 day, how money flow is coming out and VWAP is coming up. We know if that VWAP crosses over that zero line, we're probably going to see a red dot. But it's not, money flow and VWAP are not headed in the same direction like we had here when VWAP crossed over with money flow coming over as well. As you can see, we had the VWAP crossover and then money flow came with it. And man, we went to all-time highs when this happened. Now, that's not happening right now. We have, when was the last time? Where was it? VWAP, yeah, right here. Money flow was coming out, but VWAP was coming up like we have right now. Now, we haven't completely lost the money flow, and I'm not saying she couldn't bounce off the zero line and start going higher. But we need to be prepared for this situation that seems to be playing out where our VWAP is coming above the zero line, okay, and our money flow is coming out. They're not playing the same direction. What happened here was we got a nice little move back up because our VWAP was coming over, but we lost the money flow. We got that little bounce, a little relief bounce, and then we came down lower. but then we put in a nice deep. It's almost, yeah. So I just pay attention to this. This is what I'm watching, just in case we are not going to actually bounce and start getting back above. Really, 86K where this red line is, and if we could get back into this volume here, we can get back above 86.5, start opening candles back above 86.5, we could very well be sucked right back up to 96, 98K, okay, between the 87K, 68K VWAPs that have held us for so long in this range. But let's break it down locally. The 1 hour VWAP is crossing over. Looks like money flow. She's getting lower, but she very well could curve up.
It's a culture, and the ones who help make sure.
Skip that. She very well could curve up. I think the 30-minute VWAP was, yeah, see the 30-minute VWAP is curving up, which means the 1 hour is probably going to start curving as well. This momentum will probably get higher. That commercial messed up all my thinking. Okay. So let's go down to the 15-minute. We're going to break it down a little locally. Okay. We are getting bear divs on the 15-minute VWAP. Just crossed over to the 0 line. We need to hold the daily VWAP. We need to hold that daily VWAP. If we're gonna lose the daily VWAP, then we can expect to come back down to the previous day VWAP. But if we are holding this, our next stop has to be above 86K. We need to, if we're gonna get bullish momentum and start trying to at least get back to 90K, we need to see the 86K price range flip to support. And then we can start trying to look back towards the previous quarter 4 VWAP, our weekly VWAP, as resistance. I still think we have more downside. I mean, this was a very nice bounce. You hit that weekly VWAP resistance. You went right up to that low volume node, high volume node, got rejected off of it. And now we're going to see if we can put in a higher high here. If we're going to put in a higher high, or we're going to take some of these lows. Like I said, if we're losing the daily VWAP, I'd be looking for the previous daily. And if we're not holding that previous daily, we know the quarter 3 and that quarter 2 VWAP are there. I'm still cautious about the moves up. I'm still being very cautious about the moves up, just based off of the deep anchor wave on the daily and that 2-day money flow coming out with the VWAP crossing up. We know what happened last time. Okay, so thank you again to everyone. God bless all of you. Video might be a little astrewed there because I'm just pretty geeked up right now. I'm not even clicking on the right thing, man. Thank you everyone. I'll be back sometime Monday for sure. I'll try to do another weekend update, but God bless everyone. Thank you. I'm out.